If you want to learn calligraphy using your regular pens and pencils, then faux calligraphy is the best for you. The word faux literally means fake, and hence faux calligraphy refers to the art of faking calligraphy. It involves drawing the strokes and letters in a way to make it look like calligraphy. It can be the best option for you, especially when you don't want to invest in professional calligraphy supplies like brush pens, nibs and inks. Faux calligraphy too involves basic strokes that help build the foundation of your letters and words. Using different combinations of these basic strokes, you can easily form any of the letters in lowercase or uppercase. There are 10 basic strokes in faux calligraphy named as thin up stroke, thick down stroke, underturn stroke, overturn stroke, compound curves, ovals, ascending loop and descending loop. Every letter in faux calligraphy is formed using a combination of the basic strokes that we discussed. For example, the letter A is formed using a thin upstroke, oval and underturn stroke. Breaking the letter formation in this way helps in learning the foundational concepts in a better way. In my printable faux calligraphy workbook that you can download from the link in my bio, you will find all the letters broken down into strokes that you can trace and practice along with the free guide sheets. The uppercase A is formed using a longer underturn stroke followed by a thick down stroke, an oval and ending with a thin exit stroke. Breaking the letter formation in this way helps in learning the foundational concepts in a better way. In my printable faux calligraphy workbook that you can download from the link in my bio, you will find all the letters broken down into strokes that you can trace and practice along with the free guide sheets. The entrance and exit strokes play a very important role in joining letters to form words and sentences in faux calligraphy. For example, for joining the letter B with A, the entrance stroke of B gets combined with the exit stroke of A and hence forms one stroke that joins the two letters. In this way, you can join any letters to form words. The printable faux calligraphy workbook that you can download from the link in my bio has a lot of such examples of words that you can trace and practice, and also use the blank space to write on your own. You can also download the free guide sheets available for your personal practice.